All right, so I don't have quite enough time to tell you about my next example. Instead, I'm just going to tell you what the general formula is, and we'll do our example next time. I'll tell you what it's going to be. So here's the general formula for probability here. We're going to imagine that we have a total range which is maybe going from A to B, and we have some intermediate values, x1 and x2, and then we're going to try to compute the probability that some variable that we've picked at random occurs between x1 and x2. And by definition, we're saying that it's an integral. It's the integral from x1 to x2 of the weight, dx, divided by the integral all the way from A to B of the weight. So again, this is the part divided by the whole. And the relationship between this and the weighted average that we had earlier was that the function f of x is a kind of a strange function. It's 0 and 1. It's just the picture, if you like, is that you have this weighting factor, and it's going from A to B. But then in between there, we have the part that we're interested in, which is between x1 and x2. And it's the ratio of this inner part to the whole thing that we're interested in.